to all of you bitches and all you hoes. Let's have group sex and do the Rambo. Everybody say hey, we want the good thing. Hey, we want the good thing. Everybody say hey, we want the good thing. Hey, we want the good thing. I'm the Peter Piper of the 1980s. Got a long hard dick for all of the ladies. I don't care if you got 3 babies, you can work the stick in my Mercedes. If you wanna blow, just let me know. We can go backstage at the end of the show. I'll look at you and you will look at me with my dick in my hands. As you fall to your knees, you know what to do, cause I won't say please. Just nibble on my dick like a rat does cheese.